Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys. If you have a BMW with 6-cylinder engine such as N51, N52, N53, N54 or N55 and you're trying to find where your map sensor is located, how to remove it, how to replace it, stay with us. We'll cover everything from start to finish. Also there is two things that can cause malfunction with a map sensor, but actually it may not be a bad sensor, so make sure you stay until the end. Before we start, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. If you need to buy a new map sensor, parts, tools, we're going to share the links guys in the description of the video below and you can see where we purchase everything for the shop. Okay, and we usually get it at a really good price. So, this is guys the N52 engine. Also if you have one of those engines guys, we have another channel, Electrical Car Repair Live, that explains quite a bit about engine diagnostics, codes, problems, relays, fuses, so you can save quite a bit of money guys in the future on car repairs. Now with everything being removed, we'll be making quite a few videos on that engine. Doesn't matter which vehicle you have guys, you need to locate your intake manifold, which will be right here. And you need to go guys, okay, between cylinder number 5 and 6 usually, okay, on the intake manifold, and you're going to find your map sensor. Some engines will be facing this way, on others it will be facing that way. It doesn't really matter guys. All we have to do to remove it, disconnect the wire guys. Now if you get a code or problem with the map sensor, always check the wiring harness, make sure that it's not damaged anywhere, make sure that the wires are still plugged in correctly, because sometimes a damaged wiring harness or a wiring harness that's not pushed all the way in can cause that. Number 2 guys, there is something else and we'll show you when we remove it. We need to get a Torx 25 star looking bit like this one here, and we're going to remove 2 screws now. Okay, one on the left, one on the right side. Perfect. Now one more on this side right here. Okay, awesome. So now we can go ahead and grab the sensor. You always have to cover that hole while you're working on it guys, so that way you don't drop anything inside your engine, because it will ruin your engine unless you get it out. So this is guys the sensor. You have that O-ring. Sometimes that O-ring can cause a vacuum leak. Vacuum leak will result guys, okay, into sometimes throwing a code that you need a map sensor, or you may even have guys, okay, lean fuel mixture. So this is it guys, putting it together, it's practically in reverse order. We took it apart. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.